Welcome back to Worldwide Boat. I'm Nancy Latinet, charter broker, and I'm aboard the 128-foot motor yacht Snowbird. We are here aboard Snowbird in Fort Lauderdale at the Bahia Mar on the aft deck of motor yacht Snowbird.
Okay, so welcome in the main salon. In the main salon, we are keeping an art gallery vibe. So we have a lot of art pieces hanging on the walls, and they are our focus in this salon. So at the moment, we have Hans Hofmann hanging at the start of the salon when you walk in, and all the art pieces on the boat are related to him. So I'm talking about his lovers, his business partners, anybody related to Hans Hofmann. We're keeping it very low profile and focus on the art in this room, but it's still very relaxing with both the sofas and the dining table for if it is bad weather or if you'd like to sit inside in the air conditioning when it's too hot outside.
We are in the master stateroom, which has a private office where you can get your work done during charter if you need to. So from the master study, we have the master stateroom. As you can see, she has a nice seating area here, a king-size bed, and the master bath, his and her sinks, and we have a nice shower. Plenty of marble and mirror. It is an open layout, full beam master. And there is a vanity. There's also plenty of wardrobe space if you'd like to bring a lot of clothes with you.
Well, so we're on the lower deck right now. We just came down the stairs from the main salon, and we have quite a few art pieces hanging on the wall here as well. And we have a really nice artistic floor here as well. So we have two rooms in the back, which are exactly the same in size and with the beds. So they're both king size beds like it is in the master as well. and they have a really nice Hermes chair. Every room has its own art pieces in the boat, so we really are focusing on the art here. Then we have quite a spacious bathroom as well, where you have your closet space in here, all to the side. These rooms, the double rooms, have 2 baths where there is a shower in the bathtub, and that's it for this room. So on the stern side of the boat we have 2 twin cabins. They're both exactly the same in size as well. So here we have the 2 twins. We can convert them into doubles as well, both sides, and then we have a very spacious bathroom in both of the twin cabins with a nice walk-in shower. There's even art pieces in the bathroom and just a really comfortable space to be in.
Hi guys, I'm Morgan and I'm the Experience Curator here with Worldwide Boat. I am here to assist you guys with all things pre and post charter from the second you hop on your private jet and enter into your luxurious destination until the time that you return home.
Welcome in the Sky Lounge. Over here we have a very large TV that is used for movie nights, cinema nights. At the moment we're playing an art gallery because we're trying to focus on the art on the boat. So over here you have a very comfortable seating for lounging, for family time spent together, and we have a big game box here that's full with board games for the little ones, but even for you with your family or your guests to play for the whole day. Yeah. Then if we go outside here, we go into the bridge deck aft. This is the area where we host all the meals like breakfast, lunch, dinner. We can have a big buffet set up, but we can also of course do table service as you prefer. And then you have a lounge area just at the back of the table. Here we have the bar where we offer you all our delicious cocktails and we do all your beverage service on board, and we're ready to host you from here.
Here we have dining for up to 10 guests. As you can see, it's a very voluminous aft deck. We have lighting, we have open air, we have plenty of seating, some nice cocktail tables. And there's plenty of space for lounging and being comfortable, enjoying the sunsets or cruising aft deck in the Bahamas. So we are on the Flybridge, and as you can see, she has a beautiful jacuzzi with sun pads, plenty of lounge and seating. There's also some more dining area here. You can see 4 to 5 on each side. So for the sports enthusiasts and people that like to work out, we've got the Peloton on board. It's a popular piece of workout equipment, and we also have some weights and a weight bench, and there's some yoga mats on board if you'd like to enjoy some yoga in the morning or just get your heart pumping on the aft deck. So I'd like to introduce you to Chef Chapin.
Hi, how are you?
And Chef Chapin, what are some of the favorite things you like to prepare for charter guests?
Well, I really like to have a lot of involvement with my charter guests and what they like. So I get a lot of information and I build my menus based on where we're traveling. And typically here where we charter in the Caribbean and the Bahamas, it's a lot of seafood based things that are light and fresh because people are super active, particularly in the Caribbean because they're doing a lot of water sports and, just spending a lot of time outside. So we keep it nice and light.
Awesome. So what is your experience in the yachting industry? How did you get into this?
I've been yachting this is my 12th year, and I started here actually doing trips to the Bahamas and then have traveled throughout the Med, South and Central America, and of course the Caribbean and the Bahamas.
We are now on the bow, and there's plenty of lounging area, nice sun pads, some nice cover for shade. Behind me, we have a dining area with plenty of seating forward of the bridge. As you can see, they have an amazing crew aboard this yacht, and I'd like to introduce you again to Izzy, Chef Chapin, and Josie.
We look forward to welcoming you aboard and look forward to seeing you soon.